everyone, and welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. It's Steffi Fernandez here, and in today's video we'll do another super quick tutorial on how to paint leaves. Let's get cracking. Right, so to start off this design, I'm going to use a new color. I don't even know if it's been released yet, but if it's not, it will be real soon. It's called Clover Field, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous green. Look at that, Drew. Look at that. Very, very nice. I love it. I'm going to show you how gorgeous this looks on the nail as well. Let me just... OMG, look at that, and it's so opaque. I mean,
man, it really is.
It really is, right? How gorgeous is this color? I love green lately. I'm really feeling green. Would you say the color is trending right now? Because I think, you know, there's so much neon green everywhere, and
sort of green and grey, I think, are very popular at the moment, especially in houses and stuff.
Oh,
plants
yes. I love plants. I don't take care of them really well, but I am lately. I put an alarm to water them. Let me... Oh! It's stuck in my hand. Let me put it in the lamp. Right. First layer cured, but I'm going to go in for the second one. Just because I can't get enough of this color, really. So I'm going to go in and apply a nice thin layer. Right, so we've got 2 layers cured. I'm now going to go in with a lint-free wipe and wipe all... Let me try it. There we go. Wipe all the tacky layer off. I bet my face looked real funny when I tried to squeeze. The tacky layer off, because we're going to be using foils today to make our background that a little bit more sparkly. So I've wiped that tacky layer off. I'm just making sure it's really tack free. And now I'm going to go into our ta-da, foil glue. Now, one thing about doing designs that you want to have on a nail is, like, if you can't paint with transparent and see exactly what you're doing, I suggest, and that's a great hack, add a little bit of color onto your foil glue. So I've just used white for the sake of this tutorial. Drew will zoom in and you'll all see what I'm doing. So I'm going to go in with a nice amount of the foil glue, and I'm just going to paint on a nice thick line like so. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same on here. Just a nice thick line. Now I'm going to go into our ombre brush, and I'm just going to pull in some lines like so. So I've got a bit of an abstract background. Now I want this section that I'm painting here to look like an abstract leaf, if it makes sense. So I'm just using the ombre brush so I can get multiple little lines on here. And I'm going to do the same on the other line over here. And then I'm going to pop this back into the lamp for about 30 seconds. I'm not sure if you can see the design, but it's kind of like, it flicks out. It's like a leaf, but it's not a leaf, if it makes sense. So I've got this layer cured, and now I'm going to go in with a gorgeous foil that Drew picked up, actually, which is this green one over here. It's so nice. I'm going to go in and just put it on that nail, all right? Just like so. So I've put it on the nail, And now I'm gonna start rubbing it in. So hopefully it should just stick to the areas where we painted with the foil glue. So, do I use a silicone tool? Why not? Press it on. Are we ready to remove it?
Yeah.
Boom.
Wow.
And you get these gorgeous kind of, do you see what I mean when I said a leaf? Can you understand where I'm coming from kind of things? I tried to create a leaf on the background as well, so it just adds a little bit of a, you know, a different element to this like whole look, you know, a different texture. Yeah, so we've got this transferred fully. How gorgeous is that? Oh, I love it. And now we're gonna go in with, yes, you've guessed it, my favorite brush, 0003 and Series Black. I have got a little bit on my palette, but I don't think it's enough. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more color to this palette. Right. So to start off the design, I'm gonna go ahead and just paint a nice line on here, just so I know where the leaves come out of. So I'm gonna press nice line just like so. Now to paint the leaves, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some paint. You wanna concentrate the paint being at the tip of the brush mainly, okay? And then you're gonna press on that nail and release the pressure, just like so. So again, picking up some paint, pressing onto that nail and releasing the pressure. And we're going to do that all the way across. So again, pressing on that nail and releasing the pressure. Okay, I'm going to turn it around a little bit. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. This one is a little bit thicker. And we've got our leaves done. I'm going to add another section of leaves at the bottom, and then we'll cure this before we add some top coat. And I'm going to do it on the other side as well. Right, so now that we've done painting our leaves, we're going to go in and just cure it for the full length of time, okay? Now this is fully cured, I can go in with our Urban Graffiti top coat. And I love putting a top coat on top of a shiny foil. You gotta capture this on camera. It's a mini, well, I don't know if I can say this word on here, but I get very funny when I watch this. Look at that. Gorgeous. You've got all those different colors and textures coming through. Gonna cap this and pop it back into the lamp. And that's it, guys. There you have it, the final result. How gorgeous does this look? I've also done another one earlier on. I'll just put it at the side of it so you can see how nice they look together. You can have a full-on set like this. Andrew, as mentioned earlier, I did do Simba, and it looks kind of good with this. So if anyone likes character work, I'll probably do a Simba tutorial for you soon anyway on the Disney series. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this one, guys. As usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you all on the next one. Take care, guys. You know, Bruce Almighty, clapper, clap, clap, with the lights on, you know.